How to set default printer in Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can set default printer in Windows 11. So without any further delay, let's move. So first of all, you have to go to your settings. For that, click on the search icon, and in the search bar simply search for settings. Once you're on the settings, navigate to your left hand side, and from there click on Bluetooth and devices. So under the Bluetooth and devices, scroll down a bit and then go to printers and scanners. So at the top there, you have to select the printer that you want to set as default. So click on it. Once you open up there, on this section just in front of this remove button, you will find a button as set as default. All you have to do is click on that button that says set as default, and the printer that you have selected will be the default printer in your Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.